Hey guys, it's Dara, and today we have the Allure beauty box. So I would have opened this up, but I kind of was like, I'm kind of eating. There goes my keys. But the Allure beauty box is a $10 subscription that you do pay shipping for, and I believe, I don't know about other states, but I think we have to pay taxes on it. But this is a really great box. I would say if you guys like skincare a lot, or like a little bit of makeup, but it has like a little bit of everything, which is really great. They do, I think every year they have someone that curates one. So like last year was Kat Von D, this year was Huda Beauty, Huda Katon. So this is the August box. So we open it up and it says #Allure Beauty Box, and then it comes in, it has a little makeup bag here. Usually they are see-through. We've gotten quite a different couple of colors. So this time is like a, what are you, like a neon orange, neon green, so like yellowy green. So the first thing I do see in here is a multitask like serum mask, which to be honest I don't use too much, but you know, every once in a while you're like, ooh, let me, you know, I need a mask. And what I also like, what I find is like doing these when you're flying. If you ever fly, I would say always make sure you have an eye mask on hand. Next thing we have is the Cargo Cosmetics Essential Lip Color, and this is in Bombay. So this is the packaging. Has a little sticker with the color here. Looks like it might be a nice peachy. This says the smooth and creamy yet lightweight formula delivers high pigment payoff while leaving lips perfectly hydrated and volumized throughout the day. So I'm wondering if it has like a tint of like lip plump. On the bottom, it does have a batch number, which you guys can't see, but that's fine. Ooh. Okay, so let me take a look here. So it is this sleek little packaging. It has a little Cargo logo on there. And then, ooh, okay. Let me, like I said, I have foundation on that hand. Ooh. Not the best watch there, but that's cute. Or as Paris Hilton would say, that's hot. And I don't know if you guys could see this, but see those lines? That is how dry my lips are. That's how dry my lips are. I'm like, but it's really creamy, very rich. I absolutely love it. I like a nice cream base lipstick. So yay. And then we have a Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream. So a nourishing moisturizer that protects, it says crafted from seed to skin. Okay. And here's a little sample. And don't think, oh yeah, that's a great big sample, because it's not. That's how much you get. So usually this is about like 1 to 2 uses, just depending on how much you put on your face. It smells woodsy, like nature. So I'm guessing this might be like a great like water mask for nighttime. Okay. Next thing we have is They're Real by Benefit Beyond Mascara. Okay. And so this here is the packaging. It's kind of like the on-the-go packaging, I think. And it isn't a brown base, or is it actually black? I think it's a black mascara. I thought it was brown. Nope. Unless it's a really dark brown. Nope, it's a black mascara. I'm like, I don't usually do brown. I'll do brown liners, but not brown mascara. But yep, it's black. I'll give you, I'm like, it settles really well. I mean, like, it dries really fast. But let's look at the wand again. So I do prefer the smaller ones that, you know, aren't the same size as my damn eye. Like, when I say that, I mean, like, Too Faced better than sex. Like, the ones with, like, the real bristles, you know? Not the plastic ones. And I'm just applying a little bit. And again, so like I said in my Ipsy, because in my Ipsy, I did receive another mascara. I was like, this is why I don't buy mascaras, because this is, I always get mascaras. Next up, we do have the Makeup Eraser Mini. It says, erase all makeup with just water. Last time they gave us just like, they literally just cut it. I'm like, are you serious? But now we get a mini. I'm like, I don't have water to try and erase this. You know, I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay. So, wet it down. And so, just like I said, I have foundation on here. I did not think of this. Okay, and then let's do, we have an eyeshadow and a lipstick. Just trying to get, I think that foundation kind of dried out my skin, to be honest. But it works. That's nice. And I don't know, you guys could kind of see like the lipstick, like the, it came off. That's nice. There we go. And then there's like a softer side. I don't know if you want to use that side, but there we go. Okay. And then we have the Laritzi Cosmetics Liquid Beam Multi-Purpose Liquid Illuminator. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So what is this? This is in the color Topaz. Like, is it a gloss? Like, can I put it on my eyes? It says multi-purpose, right? Like, well, there it is. Okay. It doesn't feel like it has like a glossy texture at all. Is that weird? It's like it feels. It feels like it kind of like I don't know how to describe it. Like it's like, can you even see that? Like, I don't know what I would do with this. It says multi-purpose liquid illuminator. Like, what are we multi-purposing? Anyone tell me? Like, I don't see this, like, with the way it came out, like, I wouldn't put this on my eyes or my cheeks. Maybe on top of my lips, but can you guys see anything? Because I really can't. Okay. Well, I don't know. Last one is Nuria. I think that's how it's pronounced. This is Triple Action Eye Cream. I always like getting eye creams because I have no damn ass clue what I do with half of them. Like, no clue. No clue. Okay, here we go. These are all going in the recyclable. All of these packaging. Oh. Oh, I guess the long fiber side exfoliates on the makeup eraser. Okay. So this is the eye cream. It's a nice little peachy color, like creamsicle peach with a nice like blue. And okay, so this is what it is. Ooh. So it pumps out, and then you just use this to kind of go around the eye, make sure everything is good. Boop, 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 boop. Then you're good. Just gonna feel this. It's a very nice consistency. I think this is also water-based. And it has a twist top. So you know if you fuck up that you didn't twist it on. You just put it on. Okay, real quick. This is a vegan, cruelty-free, clinically tested eye cream. And it is water-based. There we go. And it has ingredients that will help diminish the appearance of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. Especially formulated for the delicate parts of your under eye. It's a triple duty. Yeah, so it nourishes your skin and restores balance. Got it. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were 6 products. The only one that I don't know about is this one. So I would give this a 9 out of 10. Like, there are things in here that I'm definitely going to be using. Things that I could keep with my mom, like when I go down to her place on my weekends. Like to keep her company. She now lives alone. My sister finally moved out. But these are some good products that I could just like keep down there. Like the mascara. But that is the Allure box for this month, for the month of August. Oh, 7 products. So we got this one. Okay, I'm gonna put that in there, not close it. You don't want to smell like mildew. Gosh. I have one more unboxing to do, and then I'm gonna go take some medication, go take a nap. Actually, unbox one more, watch some snaps, then take some medication or wait for the medication to pop it, like take effect while I watch snaps, take a nap, go see a movie. Gonna go watch Hobbs and Shaw's, just depending on what the snaps say from the bestie. But the medication is for headaches. I get a lot of headaches. Don't worry, I do not think that if you don't have, like, I get special medication from the doctor. That's basically it. Like, you know what? I don't even think I took my actual daily medication. So I gotta go find that. And I will do my Ipsy Plus unboxing in the next video, so stay tuned. These are all going up the same day because I don't edit anything, so, because I do this on my phone. But go watch the Ipsy unboxing, watch this one, and watch the Ipsy Plus. So you guys are all caught up what we got this month. Like, okay. But I promise the stuff that we are getting in the Ipsy Plus is really great, I think. So stay tuned. You guys stay safe. Love you. Bye.